Today we could be holding the future of computing with two concepts that Dell is unveiling at CES 2020, and they are both foldables, but in different ways. First, we're taking a look at the Ori. So this is a foldable laptop that doubles as a tablet. And what's neat about this is that it has a 13-inch Oled display that you can use in different modes. One of them could be full screen mode like this, which is great for watching content and content consumption. And then when you want to, you can fold it just like this and use it as a mini laptop. Now, as a 13-inch display folded in half, you're not going to use this as an everyday notebook replacement, but it's nice that you have that sort of versatility. One other thing that's pretty neat about this is how compact it is when it's folded up. So you can easily just stash this in a bag. It's not quite small enough to put in a coat pocket, but you can tell that we're getting there. This is a plastic OLED display, so there are some benefits and some drawbacks to that. So it should be pretty durable. Dell has been working on this concept for a long time, but you do notice some early things here about the design that you can tell that it is a concept. And one is that there is a crease in the display, which you don't notice as much when there's dark content on the screen. The other is that the bezels around the design are a little bit on the thick side, but that's not necessarily a bad thing because when you want to close it up, you don't want to accidentally close the display. Plus, this is something that is still in development, so it'll likely be thinner and sleeker if something like this comes to market. The second concept we wanted to show you today is called the Duet, which I'm more excited about because it's more of a baby step into foldables for people. And what's neat about this is that it is a dual screen laptop. These are dual glass displays here. And it's definitely a versatile design, but in a different way. And how you can use this is you can have content on both displays at the same time. You can easily move one to the other just using touch because they are both touch displays and they are vibrant displays. So if this does come to market, I really hope they stick with these panels. Now, because this is a concept, I want to show you some gestures that should work. And it all comes down to how many fingers that you're using. So let's say you're at full screen. You could just scroll just as if you were on one screen. If you want to go full screen on top or bottom, all you have to do is just use 4 fingers down. And if you want to flick something up or down, you just use a 3-finger flick upwards and back down like that. So Dell's really thinking about the interaction that you're going to have with the Duet. There's one last trick we want to show you with the Duet, and that is the keyboard. So yes, you can use the touchscreen for typing, but if you want a more traditional laptop experience, you have this keyboard right here. So you can type using this, which magnetically attaches. And if you want a touchpad, you just push this up, and a software-based touchpad will be right here. So you're definitely going to get the usual tactile feel that you will with what's like an XPS 13, but it's there, and it's kind of innovative. So, and when you're all done, you could just put the keyboard right underneath this design, like this, and take it with you. So this is just a quick look at the Dell Duet concept that'll be shown at CES 2020. For more of our coverage of CES, make sure you go to tomsguide.com. This is Mark Squinell.